No, you're just obstructing my investigation, man. That's all you're doing. I'm just trying to work this out with you. Look, hey, look, you be cool with me, I'm gonna be cool with you. All right? Well, you can try to incriminate, dude, but if you guys violate, I'm gonna have to litigate, all right? So why don't you all just evacuate and let me investigate? You get what I'm saying? That's just right out the dome, dude.
What if all Americans stood their ground and stood up for their rights against the aggressive actions and unlawful commands of unconstitutional cops at all times?
We got called of a suspicious person here, filming people, which is against their policy. So they would like you to leave.
A suspicious person. What about me is suspicious, sir?
That was filming people, walking around filming.
That's
what we got.
So by that standard, you're suspicious. Are you a policy enforcement, sir? I don't need that. Thank you.
Policy enforcement?
Right. Do you enforce policies?
That's them here.
So why are you here if you're not enforcing the policy?
All right, but the problem is you're in a library, right? School's right down the block. They're concerned also about.
See, now you're conflating. Now that's disingenuous when you're talking about a school down the block. Ma'am, are you the library director?
I'm talking right now. 1 second.
Oh, excuse me. Are you the library director, ma'am?
We don't need that.
The Constitution explained.
You guys swore an oath to defend the Constitution of the United States. I swore that same oath, and I'm conducting a constitutionally protected act right now. If you break your oath right now, you are liable yourself. The county is not going to pay for your mistakes. You guys are familiar with qualified immunity, right? When you are exempt from that, right? When you don't have qualified immunity, you know what you're doing, right?
I hear what you're talking about.
Okay, you're violating my civil rights.
To exit the building, okay?
And I'm telling you, I'd like to speak to your supervisor to save you a lot of money. You're a field training officer? Oh my gosh. We'll see about that.
You think yourself is cute, and this is a game, and it's funny.
No, this isn't a game. I think it's funny that you guys are standing here.
The way you're acting.
I mean, look, I got 128 gigs, man. We can roll all day. We can do this all day, but I think you guys have jobs to do, right? I just am here to educate. You know what I mean? Yeah. And in order for something to be restricted, it's got to be clearly marked and restricted.
Come over
and
here,
they call. No, sir. I'm gonna stay right here.
Come over here.
So they had a captain and a deputy. I'm waiting for a complaint form. Am I being detained?
That's fine. Come over here.
Am I being detained? Am I being detained?
I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
Okay. Is there a criminal offense that you suspect me of?
Listen to me.
This lady over here just told you your job.
Talk to you.
Okay.
Come outside and
no, sir.
talk to you.
I'm waiting for a complaint form, and that's it.
You can get a complaint form.
Ma'am, if you could just calm this guy down. Thank you. Just wait for her. That's what I would do, deputy. Wait for her. She has more sense. Okay.
Listen, man. Stop.
I'm stopping.
I'm trying to talk to you.
Okay.
You are being confronted.
No.
Let's go outside so I can talk to you.
The first thing, 901-151.
Stop.
901-151 statute. You know what that is? Read it, sir.
Stop.
We get a supervisor.
Pay attention.
Just a supervisor. That's all I need, deputy.
And that's fine. We're going to get one, but first you're going to come out here so we can talk.
Deputy Schmidt, I just need a supervisor. Ma'am,
The supervisor's on the way. I'm not playing this game, man.
Okay,
let's go outside.
Hold on just a minute. Because what they're doing, I'm the records director, I haven't met you yet. But what they're doing is perfectly legal.
I understand that, but I'm trying to talk to them, but they're being obviously confronted.
I can hear you.
We can hear you. There's no one else in here.
Okay, but I need to get out here because I need to talk to my supervisor.
No, I
Do
just
you understand that? So when I'm out here, I would like to have you in sight with me.
We're here in sight. We have witnesses here. They can stay here.
When I go out to my car, it won't be there.
Thank you so much. Ma'am, do you mind if you stay with me? I'm afraid. I have a 5-year-old daughter and a 1-year-old. I do not want to be shot and killed, sir. Look at me. I am shaking right now. I don't want to do this.
It's time to go.
I don't want to do this. I have another records request.
What is your name, sir?
I'm not telling you.
What is your name, sir?
I'm not telling you.
What is your name, sir?
Slow Joe McGo. You're just gonna stare at me?
Yeah.
Okay. Keep
I'm
staring.
going to ask you for your name and your address.
And I deny. I will not.
Okay.
I plead the fifth.
Perfect. Perfect.
Mm-hmm. What, is this a Mexican standoff?
Sir, is that a racial slur, sir?
No.
Is that a racial slur?
Do you know what a Mexican standoff is?
Is that a racial slur?
No, but you can yell it all you want.
My
Do you have
God.
any idea what a Mexican standoff is?
No.
Do you have any idea? That's not a racial slur.
I consider that a racial slur.
Is that a racial slur?
Yeah,
Well,
no,
I'm sorry your feelings were hurt then.
hair.
I'm sorry your feelings. The faster, I want you in my hair. I'm here to film you. I want you all in my hair. I want you to start yelling and screaming just like you're doing.
For your arrest, okay?
You know? Okay.
I mean for your...
You're going to arrest me?
Thank you.
You're going to arrest me?
I could.
Well, then do it.
I could.
Okay, why aren't you then?
Can you tell me what happened?
I don't answer questions, sir. I'm in stating my Fourth Amendment right to remain silent.
They may or may not have a weapon. So it's a simple question. I just need to know if you do or do not.
I don't answer questions, sir. I'm instating my Fifth Amendment right. Am I detained or am I free to go? Thank you, then I'm free to stay.
Yeah, it's just a question.
I don't answer questions, sir. Have a nice day. What's your name and your badge number?
Peterson, 5407.
Have a wonderful day, Peterson. Any further contact with me is not consensual, sir. Have a nice day.
What you mean come here? No, you come here.
Telling me to turn
What the hell? Who the hell you guys think you are?
What are you guys doing? What company are you with or what's going on?
That's none of your business, man.
It is because they called us.
That's not my concern, man. Their feelings are not my concern. They can call a bitch and complain to anybody. I don't care about that.
We're here trying to find out what you guys are doing.
It's none of your business. I'm out here. I'm a photographer. I'm out here taking pictures, and that's all you gotta know. You don't have. I don't give you permission to look me up in any way, or search me, or ask me any other questions. I plead the fifth.
Have a good day, man.
Have a good day. You contact somebody when they've committed a crime, then you ask them for ID. What crime has been committed here today? Yeah, you can't just tell me what your badge number is, man.
You can't just tell me what your ID is.
You're a public servant. I'm asking you for your ID number. You need to ID yourself.
That's on my badge.
Which is?
You can read it.
You don't know your own badge number.
Excuse me?
Okay, turn around so I can.
All right.
Yeah. Okay, there you go.
Chichi and Chichi.
I don't want you to claim anything's going on here. I'm just trying to get your badge number. Okay. Let me see your name now.
Tits and tits.
Right there, as you said.
Oh, you know, big tits.
Yep.
My tits. No butt.
Somebody's got him here.
Yeah, at least you have the balls. These guys don't have the balls.
You got the front, but you don't got the back. Is that down?
What in the hell is going on? What? I'm on private property, boss. Have I broken the law?
Step out of the vehicle, please.
Have I broken the law?
No, but this, we're officer safety. We don't know what's in the vehicle.
All right.
I'd like you to step out and we can talk.
Well, this isn't a traffic stop, and I haven't broken the law.
You're on lawful order.
This is not a traffic stop, and I have not broken a law. I'm under arrest? What am I under arrest for?
Get out of the car.
What disorderly conduct?
Get out of the car. We'll talk about it. But right now, you're resisting arrest.
Get out of the car, we're going to drag you out. We're going to break your window, drag you out.
For what conduct did I do that was disorderly? You witnessed disorderly conduct?
ARS 13-2904.
You witnessed disorderly conduct? I understand my rights. I know officer safety. Seeing both of my hands right now. If it's a lawful traffic stop. On private property?
What's up?
What's up?
You like my car?
Huh?
You like my car?
What happened?
You like my car?
Yeah, I like your car.
That's
Yeah.
why you're taking
What's your badge number?
badge number? Why?
Yeah, and your name?
Why?
You contacted me.
When?
You just asked me a question, yeah. It's your
I'm just
policy.
asking you a question.
And it's your policy. If somebody asks you to identify yourself, you have to identify yourself. You know that?
I don't have to.
You don't have to?
Okay, I don't know anything to you. If I run you for a warrant, I give you my name.
But I was
You want me to do that? I do it.
You can't.
Okay, let me see your ID.
I'm not going to show you my ID.
Yeah. Oh, so I'm not going to give you my ID then?
Because you're a public servant. You have to.
Yeah, I don't have to.
If I ask you for your ID,
Your ID.
I'm not going to show you my ID. I haven't done anything.
I call for cover now.
Give
me your ID.
Why are you getting close to me?
Give me your ID now.
Call your supervisor. I'm asking for your name and your badge number, please.
No. What did I do to you?
I haven't done anything to you either. So call your supervisor, please.
No.
Your supervisor.
No.
Is that a law? I have to give you.
It's a law.
What crime I have committed?
Because you are interrupting me.
Huh?
You're interrupting my duty.
I was just filming you. And you're getting like close to my face and stuff.
Get lost.
No, you get lost. I haven't done anything.
Asshole.
Can I get a card number or something? I'm gonna make a complaint.
Hello. How you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. You got your license on you?
No.
Okay. Just so you're aware, you guys are getting no trespass from here, so I need your ID so I can identify you in case you guys come back.
We didn't go on the property.
We didn't
You're
go
on
on
the property now, aren't you?
This is a public access way.
All right. Well, they want you no trespass.
Well, I didn't go on their property to trespass me, and I have that on
We don't plan
film.
going on their property either. So.
This is a public access way. I was standing on the sidewalk.
Okay. Well, either way, whether you're on their property or not,
They can't trespass somebody from the public.
Yes. You cannot trespass
Okay, so if
something
I
my
own-
eyes
if
can
I-
see.
This is just your attempt to try and get us to ID, and it's not going to work.
Okay, so
Nope.
if I own an establishment and I didn't want you owned there.
Sir, we're not IDing.
Okay.
We didn't
I
do
don't
anything
have
wrong. We're in
to.
public.
We're in public. Anything I can see in public, I can film. I'm on public property. You cannot trespass me unless I went on his property. You should know that. You should know the Constitution. You took an oath to abide by
We're done
it.
talking. Have a good day.
All right.
Do you have your ID, sir?
Again, what crime have I committed and what crime have I been suspected of committing in order to show you my ID?
Reckless driving.
Okay, can you prove that?
Right now, we just have a word of
Again,
we're
that's
investigating.
a word. That is not a crime. I
It's
am
an
not giving you my
investigation.
ID until you have shown me where I've committed a crime.
Sir, can
Again,
I see your ID?
no, you may not.
All right, what's your name?
Again, I'm not answering any
You're
questions.
not going to answer any questions.
Nope.
Visit all these great content creators. The links are in the description below. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification icon, give it a thumbs up, share it with everybody you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my email list through my website, highimpactflix.com. If you want to support the channel further, grab one of these hard-hitting, conversation-starting designs from the store. You can put on a shirt, hoodie, mug, hat, cell phone case, pillowcase, whatever you want. Become a channel member, but more importantly, know what your rights are and flex your rights. If you don't use your rights, you will lose them. I'll see you in the next video.